Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a follow button on your Facebook profile. All you have to do, you will click on these three dots and then go to view as to check. So you have seen my profile has add friend, so instead I want it to be replaced with follow button. So I'll go back and then I click on these three dashes. I go ahead and click on settings. Then I will scroll down here and then I click on where they have written how people can find and contact you. I click on it and then I go to click on the first one. So instead of the first option, I click on the second where they have written friends of friends. Then from there I click save. So I want to go back to confirm if what I have done has taken effect. I go to my profile once again and I click on the three dots and then I want to view as. You have seen the button has changed to follow. See, the button has changed to what? To follow. So this is what you can do in order to change add friend to a follow button. So guys, if you found this video productive and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so that next time when I post a video like this, you will be able to be notified. Thank you. See you in the next video.